Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Gashere and this is my project called Climate Witness Chain. We did it together with Meshach, Group S&M, and what inspired me to take on this project was the fact that it had some close relationship with my startup, which is AgriBackup, a young startup, and I wanted to also give back to the public. So, climate witness change allows the public to be part of the participant, whereby they can be able to contribute to the betterment of our society. As you know, there are all these climate events, changes that are happening day in, day out, and we humans and we need to be participant in this world. And so this is what this system offers. So the first thing, you can be able to submit a climate request, and you can also just type, and by just typing you'll be able to get an AI suggestion on what you really wanted for it. And so you can just see over here, you can select any of the event type that you see over here, and you can give in your description by geotagging your precise location, which will be done for you. You can also take photos with camera, upload photos, and your current location will be captured in order to be able to perform some logic underneath it. And so your event will be submitted and will be part of the meta atoms that we have in our atom spaces. So after event has been submitted, you will receive an AI verification result, meaning that AI did some verification on that image that you produced, and it gave it a confidence level. Also, there was the confidence level of the description that you gave in, and there was some logic to verify that what you have given us has been a good thing. And we have also the map section whereby you can visualize climate event across regions and see how the world is going forward. You can also see by the type of event and so on. So we have meta, and this is something that I wanted to introduce, which will enable powerful analytic for deeper climate insights. Let us see what's inside. So as a user or a researcher, you can be able to just query using natural language, and what you'll get is not probabilistic, it is something that is logical. So here it's a query that you can just put in using natural language, and what we will do, our AI will generate the function that it needs to run. So AI is generating its meta function that it needs to run, and after generating that function, it will then execute that function using meta run. And after executing, voila, you get this a visual representation from D3.js showing our raw result in a very clear way. So this is some of the practical nature of it. And we also have blockchain. It has embraced blockchain technology, ensuring that we have data integrity and transparency. And you can see there we can be able to connect to wallet. So after connecting to wallet, you'll be able to get access, and money can now flow into your account. So what we did was we used Polygon Mumbai testnet as our network for our blockchain, and we now let me go on to the climate insurance dashboard, whereby we can now check for payout eligibility, because when you submit a climate request, some people might need that fund, microinsurance, in order to be able to go back to their normal state of life. And so you can be able to check payout eligibility here, and it also leverages the use of meta. So you can just see how meta is just a powerful language, coming from the way it can be able to create its own program and run its own program on the go. And this is it. So let us go on to the live demo. So I'll just open, so this is my server and my front end are just here.